The other is, how is it that we are okay with having so many Indian states bid against each other? The government did change the policy, but in hindsight, do you think that change was a mistake and we need to go back to the original policy, cut our losses and say, we'd be the laughing stock? 13 Indian states going to the same suppliers, they can up their price, lead to a huge competition amongst all of us in a bid to get those vaccines soon. And if one chief minister manages at a higher price, he'll become a hero because he's been able to procure vaccines. That will put pressure on other chief ministers. They will be forced to increase the price even further. It's a vicious circle, and India is paying more and suffering as a consequence.
We are a joke.
Dr. Agarwal.
Hello. See, I personally, again I say, whatsoever has been the decision of the scientists or decision of the committee. But number one, as Dr. Sujata Rao has said, why should it be so late? Reactions are always late. Now, I have got the vaccination after 28 days, Covishield. So many of them have got second dose of vaccine after 28 days. It is creating confusions in the mind of individuals, and particularly announcing this thing at a time when there is a chaos of availability of vaccine. And at this time, this issue coming that now, no, it is not 4 weeks, it is 6 weeks, and now it is 12 to 16 weeks. Now, I am not questioning the reports, and I am not questioning the scientists' approach, but I am questioning the SOPs by the government.
Sure. Dr. Bagai, do you agree that this policy decision to allow for greater decentralization, for states to float their own global tenders, is a disaster? It needs to be changed because it will lead to Indians having to pay more. Dr. Bagai.
I have 3 points in this, Rahul, very quickly. One is the procurement should be centralized. You will get economy of scale, you will get better rates and quicker inflow of the vaccines.
No, so are you then saying that the government messed up the change, that they should never change the policy, the original policy of the government purchasing and being the sole buyer was the right decision?
Yes.
Rahul, I would rather say that the policy can be recalibrated. Point number 2 is we need more than 2 platforms. I've been saying this for the last 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. We will need minimum of 4 or 5 platforms. It doesn't matter which company it is or any efficacy converting into effectiveness of more than 50-60% is good to fly. And point number 3 is we know there are logistic issues with regards the mRNA vaccines. Those can be restricted in the major centers where you can have commercial chillers at sub-0 degree temperature. The Indian vaccines can be pushed in to the tier 2, tier 3 cities, so it's horses for courses. And last, very important point, central, state, local, government, private, the pricing has to be uniform. There has to be a cap on it because this is a pandemic. This is not for your own personal protection. This vaccine is for societal protection. It is for the community protection. You can't have differential rates. This is my personal view, very strongly do.
Dr. Ravi, do you also think that we need to change this